I think I'm live. I think I am. Crazy. So, this morning, I just thought I'd just put the thing live, see what I can do. Might encourage me to keep working. Who knows? So it's me, Dave Repairs, and today just really tidying up this place. And I'm just changing the layout about a bit. I've got a screen there. It's my laptop here. And just experimenting really. Just check the mic levels. Yeah, they're jumping up and down. So I presume the mics are working. It says it's an excellent connection, which is good. Capture moments as they happen. Alright, okay. I'm getting all sorts of things coming up on the screen here. So, top cam. There's me mess at this moment in time, and whenever I look at the screen, I always see lots of things that shouldn't even be on the desk. So, let's get that sorted. First of all, the mug. That's empty. Oh yeah, those things there are appearing. Okay. Yeah, I live in an untidy environment. So where's the mic? The mic is over there at the moment. I'm getting resolution warnings. I'll get that sussed out one day. 852 by 480 is what I'm sending, which is a bit weird. So yeah, that's really bad there. Looks like I'm promoting the Cronus. Not at all. It's just some sealed media of old image software. I mean, I don't know how useful that is now. I don't really know. Put the others up there, so I'll put that one up there. So what have I got on the bench here? This, I'm just rewiring. This is known as a jammer harness. Basically, it's a connector. Hard to see in the picture. Just moving things around, I haven't got things right. Right, that's a bit better. That there is basically multiple wires that connect to an arcade PCB. This is Street Fighter 2 Champion Edition, but it's a bootleg, so it's been copied. And the idea is, so you've got your power connectors here, your 5 and your 12. You've got your sound, which is that one I think. You've got your video coming out, and then you've got all of the up, down, left, right buttons and the joysticks. It's all bundled together. We'll be trying to tidy this up. This goes off into multiple directions: the power supply, the speaker system, and you've also got things like right here. I've got buttons that start the game. Now, as you know, you buy in your arcade machine, you've got those buttons around you. So, but I've just done some rewiring, and I am just about to try to see if I've made a fool of myself or not. So, now comes the thing: is where have I put this? Where have I put that? I'm really good at multitasking. So I put the multimeter down somewhere. I wonder where that could be. Normally not far. Right under my nose. There it is. Right under my nose. Crazy. So, multimeter. Trying to put it somewhere where you all can see it. There we go. So, I'm going to be putting this on ground somewhere. I want to do a couple of checks. Now, if anyone's in the chat who knows what I'm going to do, I'm going to be checking the power at the connector. All it is getting I'm just going to have to hold it there. So I've got it set to 5.2 volts, 2.9 amps, and 12 volts on the other one. So what have we got here? We got 3.3. So we're at constant current mode. So basically we're not at enough amperage. Now I've been readdressing the wires here just to try and improve things. That ain't right. We'll give it a bit more juice, 6 volts. See what happens. At 3.3. Still not good enough. Let's just take the connector off a minute. Oof, maybe jump. Volume's up high. Just gonna test this. Yeah, it's fine. I'm just checking to see if there's anything else wrong. While I know this board doesn't work. I'm gonna try a different game until I get a game that works. I know the games work. Just that I've been doing some rewiring. I just want to make sure they are okay. Will this board work? Yeah, I've had this running before. This is Cadillac and Dinosaurs. So it needs a little bit of work on it actually. The capacitor is coming off. Just take a quick look at that with the scope. Loads of little bits going on here. Hard drives that are apart. Little screws I mustn't lose. There's the screws. Right. Scope right on. Look through here. Right. That's not even doing anything. Wow. Unfortunately, I can't show you what I'm seeing. But that 1000 microfarad capacitor that I've got on there. It's not even connected. It's connected to the other side then. So anyway, it's just to check voltages. I'm just going to come down to 5 volts, 3 amps. Let's make it 2. Turn that on. I heard a ding. Has been dropped to 4.32 volts on the power supply. There's 3.1 at the connector. So it's about a 1 volt drop. If we go up to 6.1, drop there again. Got 3 amps available. It goes to full speed. The fans go full speed. 4.2. Oh no, it's going to be over 5.1. Again, this is another board I've had working. No current protection. So looks like the connector. 4.2. Cooling 3 amps. Okay, it's not pulling anymore now. So at the connector, we've got 4.2. So 7. I got boot. The game is starting. I'm at 4.8 volts at the connector. Let's just check if it is up here. Yeah, the power supply is accurate. So we're getting a little bit of loss over the cable. Yeah, they're getting warm. The cables are warm. Whew. So I'm intrigued to know where. I think basically these wires going into the jammer interface are thin. These are getting warm. And the ones, I basically got the long wires soldered. I think that's my problems. I'm getting. So, I'm going to think about that. It's a cheap Japanese cable. Chinese, good Chinese. So, let's have a look at the colours. Unfortunately, you won't be able to see this. Yeah, I don't know if there's any way I can make it so you can see it. Game started. Service mode. Captain Ramble. Okay, so what I'm doing at the moment is just flexing the board. See if anything changes. Well, I've got it running. So it looks like a sprite. Most of it's working. Are these soldered onto the board? They are. What I'm doing here is just feeling the wires. They're just warming up. So no way gauge wire, I think. Pat! I don't know how long you've been there. I need to put timestamps on this. What is this you are doing? This is Captain Commando, Gamma, and I know I need to get the video out into the computer. I've run out of cameras. Could I rig up another camera? So where I'm looking up there is another monitor. It's a Sony BVM test monitor that I'm using, and I can see the game on there. And I bought a load of what we call bootleg boards back along, and they're not really worth a lot of money, but I thought it'd be good for practicing on. Now I've had some issues with my wiring connectors, and while I've been working on a board called Legends, and I thought I would spend some more time examining that. Now I know, I think the cable thickness is a little bit under the tape, the amperage. So warm. I'm running 7 volts at 3.4 amps. Warm. And I'm getting 4.8 at the connector. Let's make it 5.1. Let's turn it up just a fraction. 5.1, roughly. Okay. There's graphics missing. Okay. Also, where's the sound? We'll insert some coins. That's the service button. That's the test button. Where's coin? This one? Maybe that one. Disconnected. Nope, not that one. That one. You can say coin. Let's get more in there. Don't know. Let me have a look at that cat. I'll turn this off a minute. 7.4 volts. Jeez. That's a lot of volts. I've heard those sound. Ooh, she is hot. It's very hot. This sounds like a fan. I don't know. 16-volt fan. That'll be fine. Yeah. If you can hear a hum, it's because we've unplugged something. Sounds complicated. Got to go catch a load. Alright. Sorry, I'm not really looking up that. I just put it in the background, really. Thank you for dropping in anyway. This rare stream of mine. I've got to change the capacity. The story of capacitors is you can up the voltage, but don't change the value, is what you normally go by. And don't put one that's not got enough capacitance in. So with a capacitor, you can go up the voltage. You can't change the capacitance value, just stick to the same one you're taking out. Just quick adjustment. Right. I haven't got the glasses on. I'm not sure where they are. My microscope here is should be using glasses. But the gold rule I do is fabulous. Yeah. Got messages coming in here. Try to ignore the phone a little bit, man. Get so distracted with this. Routine. Will be a moment. Just do something online. Oh my God. Oh, I just sent a link to someone who we'll see. We'll see. Anyway, right, I'm just about to take that one. So what I normally do with the phone is photograph what you're about to do. I'm going to go over all that. Click that for a minute, which sounds odd. And my new song. So I'm going to use a flat pen if it's on the top here. That's it. Since it's a mess. It's a mess. Ba, 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 ba. Right. Thinking where certain things have been put. The problem with tidying up is I lose things. There it is. Little flux pen. All I'm going to do is just put a tab there. no clean flux dispensing pen. So this should be quite simple. And then the camera clear. So I'm going to warm up this area here. And I'm just going to suck up the shoulder. It fell out. I'm glad I made a note of that. You don't know. So, with electrolytic capacitors, what these are, you've got a negative band. That must remain on negative. So one of these lines is a negative. None of them are. Most likely just going to do that out of I'm looking underneath this sticker now to see what the hell's going on, why I didn't get a price. Okay. With that beer, oh, perhaps I miss it there. Could be. Okay, so let's try it again. Let's have a look at this photos I just took. So the negative is facing that way. Just put the capacitor in that way. Can't get it through that hole yet. It's still not clear. So it's unclear. Right. Now this is supposed to lie down, but I can't be bothered with that. That is going in like that. Usually lies down, but it's not going to make any odds. One quick check of that photo. Negative lead is facing away from the board. Yeah, so I'm going to go with that. As I say, there is a possibility that another capacitor could be missing from this. So we'll have a look at that in a minute. goes in. Good. That leg off. Right. We may have smoke from seed. I do think it would have done anything to anything. The pop just appeared. Yeah, there is a capacity missing on this. So what I'm going to do is, for safety, I'm going to go back down to 5 volts. .5, yeah. I'll start from there. Okay, I've got some signal. So let's see what I've really got. The brightness has gone up on the monitor. So something is happening here. 3.5, 5, I think that would change. .7. So I'm not short it. Where did that stop? Oh, probably overcurrent protection. Yeah. Overcurrent protection on the meter. Turn that off. Go up again. Nice at the start. Yeah, it started now. Mainly background sprites missing. red is missing. Turning that off. Okay. I need some thick wire. Really thick wire. Something like that. I'm not sure what I've got. This might be useful. Worth a try. Look at this. What sacrifices, maybe. Right. What I'm going to do I'm thinking about adding this wire to the harness. How long is it? It might go all the way. So, turn that off for a minute. Completely. If I solder in, if I sacrifice the ends of these, not massively fat, not really. upstairs. Be using this. But that's making a noise. Not even doing anything. No, does it? It's supposed to take the smoke out of the air, that thing. That's why. Well, I don't know how well that is. Can't really see. Can't move the scope to it. So. No, that's not too bad. So. Well. Right. Quite good. Solder. Background noise off. Now, these two have got to go in the front of the 5-volt, which it's got room for. I might have a cup of tea. I'm 33 already. And I feel like I've got absolutely nothing done. MacBook Thunderbolt. Which is interesting. little message. Okay. Don't know why that's happening. It's the usual, like, something is arriving message from eBay. Black tape. What did I do with the black tape? What did I do with the black tape? Can't find it. Can't use it. So, I'm not sure what happened here. I think it will improve. I've just got to remember to put the voltage down and then go up. So, I'm putting these banana leads into other leads. There it. Put it on. And I'm going down to 5 volts. The long way. And then I'm going to set it to 2 amps. 2.1. Make sure that's on. Gonna stick that in there. And with the negative lead. Hold it there. That might hold. 50 ohms. Okay, move the current protections on. Turn that one on. So we're at 3.45, we're at 3.2 this end. Sounds a bit better. Oh, maybe it doesn't. We're still taking a lot of juice. That's 7. Oh, I'm probably on constant current. Turn it off. Yeah, I like constant current. Go to 3.4 amps. Bring it down a bit. Move out 4.6. It's dropping a little bit. Dropping a little bit. So I'm outputting at 5.14 volts, 3.3. It's coming in at 4.7 on the edge connector, which is brilliant, actually. So my problem was the wiring. I'll do that. Come up with it. Well, I'm firing 7 volts into it. Constant current again. So let's turn that off. Go to 4 amps. This board is taking 4 amps. .44, 5.06 at the connector, 3.7 amps. So this gain is 3.7 amps. So these wires should be fine. Okay. Now the reason why we might not have sound is because there's no -5 notes. So that might only do, but there's a TDA 2003. It's an amplifier, TDA 2003 amplifier on this board. Just have a quick look to see what that runs on. That's running anyway. That's good news. That's fine. There we go. This is the sound area. I've got the probe here to check any further. Not sure where the probe is at the moment. So we're running at 5.44 volts at 3.6 amps. So I'm dropping 0.4 volt. Those wires. Okay, that's brilliant. I might explain what happened the other day. So, take them out, try another board before I get back to what I was doing. See how far I can get. I was messing with a Street Fighter bootleg. See how we get on with this one now. Can drop the amperage 2.4, switch on, I've gone into overcurrent mode, no boot. My probe back on there. It's probably really boring this stream watching me lean over a board. It's not really that good then. Right, 6 volts. No, don't go to 6 volts. 5.2. Allow 3.5. Start. 3.5 already. Whew. Is he going to be more hungry than the other one? Let's go to 4.4. Voltage dropped to 4.2. So he's hungry. Let's So I'm really hungry. 5 amps. She's holding at 5. Still a little bit low. Okay, I'm going to stop there just in case there's something wrong. I'll come back to you another day. I have seen it run. It's kind of a reminder that boards don't like boards take a lot of amperage. Right. This is Cadillac and Dinosaurs. Good leg. Right. Get safe. 3 amps. 5.2. Is that booting? Near the voltage. It's booting. This is actually very similar to the other board I've just been playing the layout ones. Very, very similar. This is almost right. There's some sprite problems. So we're running 3.2 amps at 5.2, 4.9 on the connector. Yeah, some sprite problems. It's great though. It was fab actually. Anyway, so I'm sorry I can't really show you too much. So this works. not talking much, so I'm going to get a cup of tea.